Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to turn your photo to become a Sinchan style picture. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this AI photo application, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and kindly wait for the opening process over here and make sure that your connection is good. And kindly wait for the advertisement. And after that, this is the home page, and as you can see here, there are several tools that you can try or explore more. And since we would like to change the picture to become the Sinchan style, then we can scroll down and choose this spark your snap, particularly on this cartoon. And after that, this will let you to select the picture from the gallery, and I will click this button and I will choose the picture I have here and click done. And since it's already uploaded here, then I will click it again, and after that I will choose or scroll the animation to become Shin Fun, and kindly wait for the process because it usually takes less than 1 minute. And make sure that your connection is good, and if you have any another alternative about the another app that can do the same, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, and we would love to give or make that video. So this is the result, guys. You can click this button to see the previous or the original photo, and this is the picture that after the generation. Isn't that cute, right? But it's not really detailed, but it is okay, still presenting about the Sinchan cartoon feature. And if you would like to remove this watermark, then you need to do the purchase of their package over here. Then if you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment. But if you're not interested, then it is okay. But maybe there will be a lot of advertisement and they won't be able to do the editing with the pro version. And if you're okay with that, then you can skip it. And if you would like to save this picture, then you can click this button and you can still do the editing over here. And after that, you can simply click this button to save your picture and save with watermark. And after that, this picture is officially saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this app into your device, and please let us know if this app also work for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.